Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. Negative 9 times c plus 2 equals negative 2 minus 8 times c. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Add 8 times c to both sides to collect the variable terms on the left. That gives negative c plus 2 equals negative 2. Subtract 2 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative c equals negative 4. The variable coefficient is negative 1. Divide both sides by negative 1 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute 4 for c. Both sides equal negative 34, so the equation balances. So, c equals 4.